Now back there, delivered. Ingo Zuma, the goal. It's a great goal from Lukic. A little flick on.
It's another flick one, look of it! Oh, he's done it again! Oh! Was the sort of the same way, want to stick with the same tactics as Minamades comes in! Oh! It's only taken a minute!
One portion of the game is Cheats going to attack.